Everybody, and welcome to Peta. Peta is basically where I started my video series in Sri Lanka, and now we're back because in a few days we're traveling back to Malaysia. I remember clearly that first time I was here there were a lot less people because the corona pandemic was just over, and now that's 3 months ago, right? Used to be a lot more people now, and it almost feels like India here, right? Like, hello guys. Hey. Hey. And a few things, you know, that you want to buy before you leave the country, right? Actually want to eat, to get some food before we go home. I mean, no sense in showing you Peta again and the surroundings, but very well to show you some food, right? Generally interested in food. Food of a country, food of a city, food of an area. You know, which food is good and which food is bad, you know. I like most food, so there'll be not be too much talk about bad food. How it goes. If you have a bird, if you want to have some birds, you can buy some cages here. Careful about the music, YouTube, right? So that's a Christian church here. That's the Jesus baby, I suppose. I'm not sure if that's open or not. Peek inside. Nah, it's closed. Ah. All right, here. Ah, thank you. Okay. Oh, cool. Wow. That's St. Anthony, whoever that is. Oh well. Just wanna. It's interesting place. That's Jesus. That's a pretty cruel religion, eh? Showing you the bloody Jesus, how he was killed on the cross, you know. You guys know that story, right? He later became Santa Claus. No, that's not true. Anyway, so I respect people's religions. Everybody's religions, okay. But you know, it's not. I'm not really into it. But it's nice to see different religions. It's very interesting. Actually, I find it surprising by how much about Christianity you'll find. Also Ganesha and Buddha, you know. Of course, like Buddhism being the most prominent religion in Sri Lanka, but also there's a number of Muslims, a number of Christians, and of course, lots of Hindus as well. Anyway, starting to get hungry now. Let's get some eats. Let's get some food, I mean. I was trying, you know, in the back of my head, I always had the feeling that I want to review lampreys. But the thing is, I've been walking around the city today. Oh, lots of people. And I just don't find it. I think that's a very, maybe it is a very Sri Lankan food with lots of past and history. But I think it's just a rich people food. Hello, sir. So this is the place we chose for other food, some other food. Also a famous place for Buriani. Let's go and check that out. Also very popular, obviously. I got, see they put a fork on my plate. I got a different piece because my son is fine with the chicken neck, but I prefer the breast because breast is for the best, right? Anyway, so they got me some gravy as well, which they also did not want to give me because I'm foreigner, right? I mean, it's nothing racist about it. Just think we cannot eat with hands and spicy, but we can, can't we? We'll put that a bit away. Okay. Sonic is eating with us. That's all right. Camera. Thanks so much. My daughter only eats white rice and dal at the moment. That's okay. That's actually quite healthy. Definitely healthier than chicken. Let's try it. Das glaube ich nicht. That is it. The famous Buriani. I tried Biryani before in Sri Lanka. Maybe it's the same thing, you know, but maybe I think someone told me once that Buriani is just the old way of saying it. Not sure. It looks good. It looks like a biryani to me. It has a little bit of salad here with onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, the rice, of course. There's an egg in here, and there's a chicken. And that sounds, you know, like way to go, right? And also, we have a little bit of gravy. I'll first try it like that. It's very fluffy rice, actually. Don't you agree? It's very fluffy, right? Very fluffy. Try that. It's interesting. It's very interesting taste. This is very good. It's very similar to biryani. It probably is. This is really good, actually. This is Buriani. Oh, wow. I like it. Try it with gravy. You want some of the gravy? You want some of the gravy? You don't want, or you want? No? Okay. That's okay. There's some onions in there as well. So let's try it. Wow, yeah. Oh my god. This is like the best. The best biryani I've ever had. Or maybe even the best biryani. Piece of chicken. Piece of chicken neck. Oh, dude, this is good food. But the gravy is very good. You must know. Anyway, let's try some of that salad. Amazing food. I'm liking it. This is divine food, guys. I have not even touched the chicken yet. Let's go for that. Oops. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Oh. Try some of the curry gravy, which makes it divine. Oh, just warm over the whole thing. Oh. Can you see that? Wow. Wow. Guys, just make a big mess. Let's try some of the chicken. I'm liking it. Hey, how was your food? Is it good? Mine is fantastic. We have the same food. Do you like it? It's awesome. All right. You don't have to smile on that yet. But actually, it is awesome. Awesomely good. Oh yeah, man. So how's your dal and rice? Huh? Good? No? Yeah? Yeah, I mean, you know, she's very particular about food. People sometimes comment that their daughter's only eating rice or rice with dal. Well, fair enough. You know, she can eat whatever she wants, you know, if you force feed kids. That's never going to be a good thing. Unless you force feed her that. That's really good. Really amazing.
Wow, check
plate is actually 750. It's not like cheap food. Usually, sometimes we eat 250 curry and rice, but this is a different kind of, you know, level, and it is worth it. Try some of the egg. Take some more of the gravy. You're sure you don't want gravy? Ah, so good. So loving this. This chicken, kind of like fried chicken. Sometimes a bit difficult to eat with only one hand, but it's alright. It's Buriani and Biryani is the same thing. I declare this, I don't like saying it, the best I've ever had, or one of the best I've ever had. Yeah, that's the best. One of the best I've ever had. In Sri Lanka. Who would have thought that? Really good. Really tasty. I mean, I did have good biryani in other places, in India, Malaysia, in Pakistan. Pakistan was very good. India's very good. No, I'm not taking a political side. I just eat food and then, you know, make up my mind. This is good food. Empty. You don't want this meal to end. It is so good. You want it, you know, you want the plate to fill itself magically. Right? Yeah, I like it. That was a good meal. Still is. Yeah, that may have been the best meal in Sri Lanka. Yeah, it's a very good biryani. What's the difference, biryani and biryani?
Biryani, everything same.
It's the same thing?
Yes.
So I thought so. But biryani is a Sinhalese word or it's just the same?
Same. All same Sri Lanka biryani.
Biryani and biryani? Same.
Chicken.
I see. Okay. All right. Very good. The best in town, I would say. I guess Dylan likes the old rice and dal. You just dropped it on your mother's hands. Very good. Yeah, I'm done. I'm already. I could eat some more, but actually, it's the perfect size of the plate. Very good. Come on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you cannot eat with a spoon yet. When you go to Colombo and you eat a good biryani or a chicken fried rice, or you know what you have to have? You have to have a faluda, which is a drink and slash ice cream thingy. Like this. So I'm not even sure if you have to mix it up because there's an ice cream scoop on top, you know, and like there's some fruit pieces. It's very refreshing, very sweet, of course. Hey, mix it up a bit down below, see? And you see there are lots of different fruits, jelly thingies. I'm not sure what they are. Let's try it. Very yummy. Ah, yeah, these are good. Hey, boy. Very good. Oh, guys. So that was an extraordinary lunch, I must say. That rice, that chicken, that faluda, it was all very good. And I like the area here in Petta. Hotel de Norris.
Yeah.
It's a good place. You should come and try. I think it's
Facebook.
This is YouTube.
YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
Direct that live.
Yes, yes. No, not live. Making video.
Video.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much. Okay. Very good place. I like it. I can highly recommend to be coming here, especially try the biryani or the fried rice, and you have to try the faluda. Bye, sir. Very good place. I like it. And very friendly, of course. It's not the cheapest place, of course, but it's good. We actually paid 2,600 rupee for all of our, what we ate and drank. So, which is, I don't know how much it is, but it's like, how much is that? Like $6 or so, or $7? It's a special meal. It's a good place. Visit them when you're here, okay? Take good care and bye-bye.